Plivo is a cloud communication platform for SMS and voice services. Follow these steps to create a Plivo account. Visit the Plivo website. Go to plivo.com. Click on the sign up button at the top right corner of the homepage. Fill out the registration form. Provide the following details: full name, enter your first and last name, work email address, use a valid email address for account setup and verification, password, create a strong, secure password, phone number, enter a valid phone number to receive verification codes. Accept Plivo's terms of service and privacy policy by checking the respective box. Verify your email. After registration, Plivo will send an email with a verification link. Open the email and click the link to verify your email address. Complete phone number verification. Log into your account and verify your phone number. Enter the code sent to your phone for verification. Set up your account. After verification, you'll be taken to your Plivo dashboard. Choose the type of service you need and begin exploring the platform.